Imagine saving money every single month for 10 years, only to discover you're actually poorer than when you started. Sounds impossible. It isn't. Millions of people proudly invest in stocks while ignoring high-interest debt and inflation, the two biggest wealth killers. That's like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. Until you stop the leak, you'll never get ahead. Today, I'll show you the smartest order to save and invest, so every dollar works harder for you.
Saving is important, but saving alone isn't enough. Inflation quietly makes everything more expensive every year, reducing the buying power of your cash. Your money isn't standing still, it's moving backward.
Most people jump straight into investing because it sounds exciting. But building wealth is like building a house. If the foundation is cracked, it doesn't matter how beautiful the roof looks. The order of your financial decisions can save or cost you thousands of dollars.
Start with an emergency fund. Even a small safety cushion protects you from unexpected expenses and keeps you from relying on expensive debt. Think of it as your financial airbag. It protects you before disaster strikes. If you're paying double-digit interest on credit cards, that's your biggest enemy. A guaranteed 20% return from paying off debt beats almost any investment. Stop the leak before trying to fill the bucket.
Now it's time to invest. Stocks, ETFs, and index funds allow your money to grow over time. Don't try to time the market. The real secret is spending more time in the market. Start small. Even $50 a month can grow into thousands because compound interest lets your money earn money, and then those earnings earn even more. Don't put everything into one investment. Diversify across different assets to reduce risk and build steady long-term growth. Ignore daily market headlines. Automate your investments and stay consistent. Wealth is built through discipline, not excitement. Saving protects your money. Investing grows it. The smartest financial plan combines both, in the right order. Your future wealth won't be built overnight, but every smart decision today brings financial freedom tomorrow. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and remember, don't just save your money. Make your money work for you.